Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on home decor with Wayfair, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Wayfair website or open their mobile app. Create an account if you don't have one. Browse through the various categories available, such as furniture, decor, and textiles. Use the search bar to find specific items you're interested in. Filter your search results by price range to find items that fit your budget. Check the sales or clearance sections for discounted items. Sign up for the Wayfair newsletter to receive information about special promotions and sales. Take advantage of seasonal sales events like Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Consider signing up for Wayfair's rewards program if available. Keep an eye on clearance items that may go on additional discounts. Utilize the compare feature to weigh options side by side. Read customer reviews to ensure quality and satisfaction before purchasing. Check for any coupons or promo codes available online before completing your purchase. Take note of Wayfair's return policy in case you need to exchange items. Plan your purchases around special offers like free shipping or discounts on first orders. Keep track of upcoming sales dates on a calendar for strategic purchasing. Follow Wayfair on social media for exclusive deals and notifications. Consider purchasing items in sets to save more on bundled products. Examine items that are eligible for Wayfair professional discounts if you're a business owner. Explore financing options if you plan to make larger purchases. Use the app's augmented reality feature to visualize how items will look in your space. By following these steps, you can maximize your savings on home decor with Wayfair. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.